Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Hello, hello, hello. So here's what's going on today. So I had this speeded up over here, and I realize now I shouldn't have. This was a good build right here. When I bought this, I thought it was a little train station, but it turns out it's my ranch house now. Got it elevated up here on the hill. Glued in all these trees. I got one down here from the wind. I realized I never glued it down, so I got to glue it down. Got to glue this down. Not quite sure where I'm putting the little barn at yet, whether I want to put it here. That way I can put a fence along here. Or I may put it here. It looks kind of nice for a little quick stop for the train as well. I need to get a ramp here. I don't know if I'm going to put a ramp here, and I'll dig into the foam. That way it's a level, nice smooth transition. I need to get the road here. I don't know if I want to put the road here, centered, come out more and then ramp down. I may do that because I don't like this here. I'd rather have that to where there's more room on the driveway, more realistic. And then I could have the ramp over in this area. So I got time to think about that. Little storage yard down here. Not sure what this is going to be. This may be all my commercial buildings and whatnot. I got my new power wire for my second track in that for some reason my Strike Force didn't have one. Well, it had one, but it had a different style. It had this style. So, something I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to be drilling in for my different switches, power controls, get them underneath, bring them in this side, get everything plugged in. My circle pieces will be in Friday. So today's Monday, they'll be in Friday. So I need to get this cleaned up. I think this is going to be more my city area, downtown, whatnot. Not quite sure if I'm going to have part of a train station here or not. I do know that I'll have at least this one switch track right here. I think I talked about in the last video with the water damming up here, river down over there. Not sure if I'm going to get that in this video or not, but that is my plans there. Definite switch yard over here. So let's get into it, see what we can do. Thanks for joining. We've derailed over there. Engine made it back. So let's get to drilling. There's my old trusty drill bit. Is it trusty or rusty? Maybe it's my trusty rusty drill bit. Let's check it out. I think now I know how to simulate an earthquake. Need a vacuum in here. Yeah, maybe I'll get all my drilling done and then get the vacuum. That's probably smarter, right? I think if I do one more right here, this one will catch these two, and then this one can catch these two. All right. Where were we? Oh, it's gonna be awful tight getting over there. What the heck? Did I hit that too? Okay. There we go. Let's get this other one opened up, plugged in. I think I'm gonna have to get a power strip underneath too. Run it over this way a little bit closer. Let's see. Well, I like where I've got these holes at. The only real issue I see right now is this switch over here is like barely reaching. I mean, it's borderline. I had to run it underneath right here even to be able to reach, so I'm gonna have to tack that down somewhere right there, which will work. There's my other switch for over here. And I've got my power running to this track, which is here, and this power running to the bottom track. No, the top track will be right here. So I got to hook power up to that. So yeah, that's what I need my power strip underneath for, so I can plug both of these two in the power strip. And then I'm gonna have to get me a whatchamacallit to power up these switches. Alright, I'll just put me a rock or something over this. Let's see what I got. Let me give you an example. If I just get me a little bit bigger rock, cover that right there. Paint these lines black maybe. Maybe put some small rocks over them, I don't know. Build up some rock piles, we'll see. That's where that goes for now. So, with this, let's see if I can power up this other train. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Better watch out. Whoa, 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 whoa. I was trying to work this other controller, that didn't work. Got me a mess down here in the train yard. Alright, let's see what's next. Let's pull this guy out of here. Stop it right there. Does it matter which direction the caboose is in? You got the same question for the engine. Does it mean something if the caboose is going in a certain direction, and same with the engine? So they can go two different directions, you know. It can either be this way or turn around the other way. So does it matter if this bunk area is in the front or back? Let me know in the comments. I don't know. All right, we're gonna park it right there for now.